Hello, welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So ito po yung reading natin for Water Sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Take only what resonates. Uh, Love reading to guys. And kung gusto mo pa nga magpa-personal, kay Jing Tarot Reader na lang ha. Follow mo na lang din ako sa TikTok, Unicorn Princess Tarot. Gagamitin ko itong black na card for your side and then pink card for... Wait lang. While talking kasi, while talking, nagpakita sa akin tong card na to. Like, hindi, nasa likod ko siya, pero na-visualize ko. So, I will be using this card too. Hindi ko pa lang alam kung saang part ko siya gagamitin kasi this is, playing cards ang, niya. Hindi siya usual but I will figure it out later kung saang part ko siya gagamitin. Pero nagpakita to sa akin, so I will be using this. Pero, yung gagamitin ko talaga dapat is ito para sa side mo and then yung pink ay para sa person na side mo. Okay? Then, or sa person na side, which is the left side. Okay, the right side is for you. Okay, so let's start your reading. This is for the sign of Water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Matagal-tagal ko na rin hindi nagamit yung card na yun, ha? But I don't know why, bigla siya nagpakita habang nag-i-intro ako. And of course, baka may special message. Wait lang guys, medyo may magulo tayong cards. Anyway. Spirit guides, angel guides, what do we have here for the sign of Water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces? One last shuffle for the sign of Water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Okay, thank you, Spirit guides, angel guides. Okay, main energy ni Water sign. Cross watchers are welcome. You do have your hammer and knot today. Some of you could be dealing with your soulmate. Ayan. Tapos yung isang card is kisses. Bottom of the deck is the sunglasses. Okay. Wait lang guys. And this is your person side. Main energy ng person na ito for the sign of water sign, please. Main energy ng person na kakonect mo. For the sign of water sign, please. Spirit guides, angel guides, for the person na kakonect ni water sign, please. Talking is here, separation, I like you, and healthy choices. Okay. And abundance is here. Okay. So bago ko simulan, last card na lang na kukunin ko dun sa mga main energy is yung situation or kung ano yung mga messages dito sa mutual energy or situation. Ganyan. Yun yung dalawa. You do have here forgiving and learning. Pero ewan ko, ang nakikita ko dito ko na message ay ang word is financial or finance. Something to do with finance. So, So maybe ang focus mo ngayon or both of you are focusing on your financial needs or stability, ganyan. Anyway, hammer is here. So maybe you are trying to rebuild yourself. Inaayos mo yung sarili mo. For your person, pwedeng may mga pag-iwas or paglayo kang ginagawa with the not today, this is you, iniwas ka sa kanya, but you do love this person with the kisses, mahal mo pa rin siya. Kahit iniiwasan mo siya, kahit di ka masyado nakikipag-communicate, maybe there's reason kung bakit mo ginagawa yon. And you do have your sunglasses at the bottom of the deck, so nakikita natin ito as maybe you are focusing out. Ayan nga, tinatry mo mag-focus out dito sa connection ninyo. Okay, by the way, I just saw the number 444. Maybe there's an angel number for you na may kinalaman doon. But anyway, sunglasses, it is showing to me na maybe Pwedeng ayaw mo siya makita. Okay? Ayaw mo siya makita through video call, yung pictures niya, or pwedeng yung video call lang. Maybe there's communication, but then, may mga times ayaw mo siya makita, ayaw mo siya makausap. But you do love this person. Medyo weird dong side mo na to. Pero mahal mo siya. Okay, sorry about that. Talking is here, so may communication sa inyo ng person na to. I can see the separation here, pero yung pagkagusto niya sa'yo is nandun. No? Hindi nga lang niya alam or sure what will happen next, or what will, what is the future between the two of you. Hindi niya pa yun sure sa ngayon. And hindi ka naman din nag-expect. Hindi ko naman din nakikita nag-expect ka. What I see now is that your person is focusing sa kanyang sarili. Okay? And I feel like money. For the abundance is here. This is more on money, person, no, sa kanyang finances. And gusto ka nitong person na to, with the forgiving and learning, I see this as like comfort zone kind of card. So maybe pag may mga problems kayo sa isa't isa, both of you are anong tawag dito? Medyo nawala ako, sorry, may nag-pop kasi na notification. So anyway, pwedeng may pagko-comfort kayong ginagawa sa isa't isa. Like maybe pag may problem siya financially, etc., kino-comfort mo siya, or pag ikaw tong may problem, pwedeng kino-comfort ka din niya. So I can see pwedeng more on problems yung kumbaga pag may pag-uusap minsan more on problems, pero nandun yung comfort sa isa't isa, pagko-comfort sa isa't isa. I do like that, by the way. Anyway, ano yung emotions niyo sa isa't isa ng person na ito? You do have your clock, coffin, and camera. Oh, and photograph. Okay. Healthy choices. Wow. Nandun na yun sa side ng person mo. So maybe you are both focusing on yourself, self-love, self-care. You want to be happy, focusing on happiness and emotions ng person na ito patungkol sa'yo. You do have your engagement ring. Why do I feel like itong connection ito ay may other people na involved? So, might be isa pa to sa reason kung ba't ka umiiwas eh. Because may ibang person may ibang taong involved eh. And you do have here, this could be the one. So, if there are other people na involved dito sa connection nito, I feel like dun yung kagustuhan mo na mag-end yung relationship. Both of you. You want yung relationship niya sa iba na mag-end. Yung gusto niya na yung relationship mo sa iba ay mag-end. And the way I see this could be a karmic relationship, especially sa side ng person na ito. And might be iniisip na rin niyang i-end ito kasi gusto niya mag-take ng risk eh. The hand of cards here is taking a risk. So, gusto niya mag-take ng risk. This could be the one. So, feeling niya ikaw na yung the one para sa kanya. And whoever this person dumating sa buhay niya, parang feeling niya hindi mag-work out yun sa kanila. And the way I see this with the camera and the photograph, this is you na nade-develop ka na dito sa person na ito. Or na-develop na yung emotions mo para sa kanya dahil sa tagal na rin naman ng connection ninyo. So, this is not a connection nito lang. Definitely naging matagal na rin. If there's friendship, maybe matagal na yung friendship. Okay? So, I will get additional message bago natin kunin yung future reading. Kukuha tayo ng message gamit sa card na ito. Kaya hindi ko ito masyadong ginagamit guys, is masyado kasi siyang madulas pag sinashuffle. Kasi siya, ang material niya is parang plastic. So, yeah. Medyo madula siya. Unlike yung mga parang cardboard. Anyway, madula. Madulas yung pagka-card. So, hindi ko siya masyadong ginagamit. And, of course, ang card kasi din na ito is more on numbers. Or more on, the usual playing cards. And, maganda kasi yung more on image para ma-appreciate din ng ibang nanonood. I don't know, maybe kasi I find it, plain and boring, And, anyway, na ano ko lang, na banggit ko lang. You do have your 10 of diamonds, 10 of spade, Queen of spade, and 9 of diamonds. Tapos kukuha tayo sa side sa person mo, ha? Additional message for the sign of water sign. 5 of hearts, 3 of hearts. Okay. The Queen of hearts, the 10 of clover, 3 of spades, and the Jack of spades. Okay. Actually, ang ating reading na ito ay may mga angel number na nagpakita, which is ito 10, tatlong 10 na to, 10, 10, 10. Okay, and that could be your angel number. Ayan. Basahin ko na, ha. Ilagay ko na lang to dito because this is like families na involved dito. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius energy. And the way I see this might be mahirap i-cut off. Basta-basta. Yung connection maybe with other people, especially yung number 3 is showing as the third parties na involved dito. Mahirap i-cut off dahil sa family na issues or whatsoever, no? And the nine of clover, this is like challenges para sa side ng person mo kasi nakikita natin na pwedeng yung person na nakakonect mo is pwede may children din na involved. Okay? Sa side, unfortunately nga lang, sa side mo nakikita natin na whoever this person, kung nasa iyo yung side na may kakonect ka, ha, na iba pa, nakikita natin na gustong i-cut off nitong person na ito. Itong nagiging challenge sa inyo, which is might be your person. Okay? So, kung ikaw ay may person sa side mo, gusto niyang tapusin mo or wag ka makipag-connect sa kanya, parang ganun. Maybe this person is jealous. The Queen of Swords is jealous. Nagsiselo siya. Challenge sa connection natin yan. This person wants you, nasa kanya ka lang. But with the Ace of Clover, nakikita natin yung pagkagusto mo ng new beginning dito sa person na ito. Pero ang hirap di ba? You miss this person, gusto mo na new beginning sa kanya, gusto mo na something, etc. Money, meron din, possible na you want to connect with this person na may involve ang pera, maybe partnership, etc. Tapos yung person na ito, nakikita natin na gusto niya na reconciliation with you. Gusto niya na yung union. With a 5 of hearts, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces, nakikita natin na gusto niyang magkaroon ng pagbabago sa connection na ito according sa kung ano nung gusto ng puso niya. At sa ngayon, ang gusto ng puso niya ay ikaw. And masyado na rin siya nahihirapan sa mga obligasyon niya at sa responsibilidad niya, and might be dala-dala niya lahat yon. Okay? So anyway, what will happen in the near future for the both of you? But I'm seeing na kung yung ikaw, yung person na kakonect mo is the Queen of Spades. Yeah, also known as the Queen of Swords. No? Ito namang person na to, ang kakonect niya is the Jack of Swords. Okay? Both of those person ay nagpapakita ng jealousy And also at the same time, yun ay nagpapakita ng sa side ng person mo, immaturity. Immature yung person na nakakonect niya. Okay? So, this person is also jealous. Okay? Wait lang guys. Sorry about that. So, what will happen in the future for the both of you? What will happen in the future for the both of you? Okay, for the both of you, you do have your children and codependency. Children is also here. So, in the near future for you and this person, anong meron? Let go of control issues, separation, and you do have here love yourself first, religious factors. Okay, actually in the future, yung decision is not yet final. Yung nakikita natin dito is may mga taong involved dito kaya hindi makapag-decision agad-agad. But definitely, you will be more obsessed and will be thinking about this person like 24/7. Pwedeng ma-feel mo na parang, oh, obsessed na ba ako dito sa person na ito? Na-addict na ba ako sa kanya? Kasi nakikita natin na sabihin na natin nangyayari na yun ngayon, pero nakikita natin in the future na patuloy ang pangyayari nitong pag-iisip mo dito sa person nito. And it is showing here na hindi mo kayang basta umalis sa kung ano man yung situation mo because maybe of children or maybe, but I can see that meron pa naman kasi mga issues na kailangang harapin pa yung person mo, especially with regards to separation. Sa kanyang person na iba pang kakonect. Okay? And religious factors, this is the main message in the future. Your love life is influenced by your religious upbringing and spiritual path. Okay? And also yung isa pa is your self-respect makes you more romantically attractive. Love yourself first. Okay? Yun yung pinaka-message sa'yo. So, wala tayong final future reading but rather, etong situation na to, hayaan mo lang na magkusa siyang mag-unfold kasi may mga dapat pang ayusin ang bawat isa sa inyo. Thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.